Let me show you how to make the ultimate lazy garment meal sticky tofu egg custard over perfect microwave rice. All ready in 15 minutes with zero cleanup. Start with rice in a microwave safe bowl. Cover with boiling water. Ratio is 1:1.5. Then next a smaller ceramic bowl on top. Microwave at medium power for 6 minutes. This double bowl trick steams the rice flawlessly. Meanwhile, prepare the stir. Second tofu gently scoop into a ramekin. Whisk an egg with hot water. The key to ultra smooth texture and pour over the tofu. Microwave on high for 5 minutes. Watch as it sets into the most delicate custard. The sauce, minced garlic, chili, and chili oil. Microwave for 60 seconds to bloom the flavors. Stir in soy sauce and watch how it cascades down the custard's cups. The first spoonful, pure magic, the custard dissolves on your tongue, while the chili sauce provides this additive kick. Paired with the fluffy rice, it's comfort food perfected, rich yet light, complex yet effortless. This isn't just lazy cooking, it's precision engineering for flavor. No scorch pans, no lingering smells, just restaurant quality results from your microwave. This is the ultimate solo dining hack.